I'm Jill Miller, creator of the role model method.
I get asked all the time, how many balls do I actually need to do the role model? Well, any of these balls are going to help find their way into different blind spots in your body that are going to help to erase pain.
So these are the solid, grippy, pliable, rubber role model therapy balls. There's the smallest, that's the yoga tune-up ball. The medium, that's the plus. And the largest, this is the alpha. And then the extra large is hollow and air-filled.
All of the balls are made from a grippy, pliable rubber. And that pliability is super important because it can handle delicate bony prominences without injury or bruising. The grippiness of the balls grabs at your skin and can actually pivot and affect stretch deep into all of the different layers of fascia, moving all the way down towards bone. All of the smaller set balls come in a snug grip tote. The tote itself is utilitarian. Not only can you carry it around and swing it around, but the tote has open cells, so it allows the balls to actually reach through and grab at your tissues. Now, when you use two balls together in a tote, it actually is a way of reducing the deep pressure that any of the single balls offer. So the different sizes fit into different areas of your body. There's really no one size that's correct for any one body because we're all made from different masses and our muscles and our soft tissues have different shape. But here's the general rule of thumb. And the general rule of thumb is that the smallest ball actually has the pressure of a thumb. The medium-sized ball, the plus ball, has the pressure of an elbow. And the largest solid rubber ball, the alpha, is the pressure of a fist. Lastly, you have the gorgeous ball. The gorgeous ball is air-filled and it's made of especially grippy rubber. And this is actually best to use if you're super, super sensitive to pain. It's best to use for what we call global shear because it grabs huge sheets of tissue at once, and it is the ideal tool for your gut and for your rib cage for deep breathing. So I hope you have fun experimenting with all the role model balls. These are what you use to erase your pain, and you know you need them.